I'm Kaylee, founder of Capella Design, and today is Earth Day, or if you're not watching this on Earth Day, every day is Earth Day. So I'm here to talk to you a little bit about sustainability. Did you know in 2015, Columbia University did a study, and they found that the production and use of household goods accounts for 60% of worldwide greenhouse gas emissions. 60%, that's a lot. So we really need to be careful about what we're making, what we're taking out of the earth, and what we're putting back into it. Which is why in development of our first product, the shower seat, we really took a good hard look at what we needed to do to be an ethical and sustainable maker of assistive products, which, side note, I'm not sure exists. So we're really excited to be kind of leading the way in terms of saying, yeah, we can not only make these products stylish, but we can make them better for the earth as well. So there's three things I want to talk to you about today in terms of sustainability, and that's the materials we use, how we ship the shower seat, and then how we're actually manufacturing, so the locality of what we're doing. So if you haven't heard about the shower seat before, I'm going to give you a quick overview. It does the same things as a more clinical version would, but looks and feels like it belongs in the modern home. And we were able to do this partly through choosing really sustainable and high quality materials. So this seat material, it looks like teak, but it's not teak. So as you can see here, this piece is hollow. It's actually made of extruded plastic and wood waste, and that's 90% recycled. So you're essentially sitting on pop bottles. You don't need to refinish this product like teak, which makes it last a lot longer, and it's really easy to clean. Again, really good for using your shower seat way longer than you could a wood one, and it looks great. So the second material that you see here on the sides that I'm going to talk about is called solid surface. So here it is. It comes in lots of different colors. This is our terrazzo that's really popular. And the great thing about solid surface is it's fully repairable, which means if you get scratches or scuffs on it, you can wipe those out really easily. Any issues in production, we can repair the piece instead of having to dump things that don't work. So essentially, we are doing our best to create something that's not going to go in the garbage. Beyond that, the material is actually manufactured in North America, which is important, and I'll get to in a minute. And it's manufactured to several ecological standards, including the LEED building standards. So it's really a lovely product, and it doesn't emit any VOCs. So unlike some plastics, you're not going to get that off-gassing that you might have. Beyond materials, we ship this to you flat pack. So instead of shipping a giant, well, I mean, it's not giant, but it would be in a box about 20 by 20 by 20 inches. We ship in a box that's about 18 by 16 by 4 inches. So you can fit 5 of them where you would fit one of these into a shipping container or a truck or on the airplane, which obviously saves a lot of emissions, which is really important to us. When you get your seat, you'll see that it's fully packaged in paper. So we have paper here, even the pieces to put it together. So here are the X keys that you'll use to put together your shower seat. And we put them in little paper envelopes so that you can reuse them or recycle them, but it's not adding to the mounds of plastic that are going into landfills and eventually the ocean. Beyond shipping, like I was saying before, we're trying to source and to manufacture in North America as much as possible. What this does is it limits the amount of stuff that gets shipped back and forth a whole bunch before it gets shipped to you. So the main structure of this shower seat, the solid surface, is made in the US, shipped to Vancouver. It's manufactured here, and then it's shipped to you. So our goal is to create jobs locally, is to make sure that we're not creating any extra emissions that we don't need to, and to be involved in our community, which is also a really important part of sustainability. So that's the quick overview of our sustainable practices. But you can check out our website, designbycapella.com, for more information. You can also take a look at our Instagram. We have lots of posts about what we're doing for Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great Earth Day.